Hey everybody, Philippe here again with Fontana Ovens and Grills. Just reminding you, the new Maestro 60 is here. I cannot stress enough how cool of an oven this is, how well it works. I've owned the Mangiafuoco gas, the Margarita gas. I've used all of the ovens that we carry. This thing is amazing. I am not joking. I've used it for so many different things. Check it out on the website. If you guys have questions about it, give us a call. And once again, the price of $19.99, this one-time amazing price, under $2,000 for this oven is amazing. And like all Fontana products, this thing is a tank. It might look like a small countertop unit, right? But this thing is an absolute tank. It functions fantastically. It's incredibly safe. You can leave it outside. You can cook everything. I've done steaks, and I need to post some pictures. I'll be posting pictures of the steaks that I've done. We've done recipes on focaccia bread, on pizza, obviously. We've done fajitas, all kinds of stuff. So make sure, check it out. If you guys haven't looked at it yet, go check out the Maestro 60 on our website. It's a fantastic unit. And after this month, it's going to be $23.99. It's going to be $2,400. So if you're even remotely interested, this is a fantastic little oven. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. But if you go on the website, you'll be able to see all the information there. And we appreciate, once again, your business. And keep on following us on all our social media channels. We'll keep on prepping for doing more live streams. And if you have any questions, write them down. Get ready. Send them over to us. I'd be happy to answer them, even in quick little videos like this. Have a great one, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend.